I don't know about y'all, but I gotta have a good concert in the morning. So yes, today is Tuesday morning, and I'm going to tell y'all about a product that I love. It is Nourished with Nature. It is black owned, natural ingredients. I don't even use Jergens or any of that anymore. We just swear by this. So this is the shea butter, and the scent is lavender lemon. Lavender lemon, lemongrass, and sandalwood are my three faves. But she has about 12 different scents that you can choose from. And I love the face wash for my face. Everything is natural. So I don't even worry about it. I don't have to think about nothing. And the product is natural. And this is foaming. So like it's gonna foam up. And I'm using a bamboo face pad. So let's show you the foam. Check out the buildup. Better than your shaving cream. And we're just gonna rub it. So we're gonna apply it. To get in your mouth, it's okay. It's natural, but I hope y'all clean y'all lips too sometimes. Y'all be like, y'all scrub them lips. Y'all be putting y'all lips in dirty places. Don't wet your iPad up either. It don't take much to wash your face. So, face is clean, no makeup. We're looking bright and yellow this morning. So, I don't know about you, but I change colors in the winter. I'm red in the summer and I'm yellow in the winter. This, what I swear by for my hair, my skin, and since we're here, we're gonna do a wave, just do a wave check. Okay. Waves are bussing. We'll do 360. Hope you ain't seasick. It's too early in the morning to be swimming. Yeah. Sometimes when I'm ashy at work, I ain't about to swipe my hair, but I'll swipe my hair and put my shea butter from my hair on my face like your mama used to do when you were a kid, because it's all natural and that's all I use in my hair. Water and shea butter. This is all I use on my skin. And don't mind me that I'm missing a fingernail. I'm a nail tech. I can put it back on later. I can put on the shea butter and I do not look greasy. So get you some Nourished with Nature. I'm going to recommend the lavender lemon. I get a lot of compliments on the scent. It's a whole vibe. And she sells other products. She sells edible oils. She sells bars of soap, turmeric, a lot beard oils. And she does subscriptions, so you don't even have to worry about it. You just order and don't think about it. So go to Nourished with Nature. And for all of y'all, this is my brush, and don't mind, it got shea butter inside of it. But it keeps my wave shiny. And I do wash my brush once a month to clean it out because it gets product buildup. But if you know, when you get product buildup in your brushes or in your do-rags, your hair does much better, but you still got to clean them. So once a month, I clean my, well, I have a bunch of do-rags, but I do take a day where I hand wash my do-rags and I wash my brushes. So clean your utensils or your essential tools. So clean those. And that is my product review for Nourished with Nature. I hope that y'all go and try it out. Thank me later. Let me know down in the comments if you buy it, how you like it. And they have a good website, and right now I can't even see that small. But Nourished with Nature, I'll leave a link and check y'all out later.